first 3 laps, warm the tires up, focus on lines, being in the right place at the right time with less lean, and then as the pace picks up, more lean, same line. So we'll see how all that works in levels of consistency around the track. And again, the first 3 laps, absolutely no rush to get where you need to be at all, especially on a cold day with cold tires. So far, nice, easy lines. Correct lean angle, given the pace. And then that's giving me the time to see where you are on track. Aiming for the short foam pole. Not quite the straight line you think you're taking. That's good drive towards A. Excellent placement at the top of the hill. Nice apex in 9. Set up for 10, that's good. Nice tight line out of 10. Nice pace into the first part. Aim for that second apex, there it is. Now driver up the hill. Sustain speed, that's good. That's excellent. Consistent with your apex for 4. Nice through the S's. Consistent on the exit of 6. That's good through 7, nicely done. Good avoidance. Slightly different in 9, but you were put offline, so that's fine, not a worry. Laid on 10, good. Excellent drive off the corner. Set up, that's good. Wait for the second apex. Drive it up the hill, keep the pace on. Keep driving, miss the exit. That's why you just have to be gentle on the throttle. Good entry speed over 3. Consistent again in 4. Turning point's too late for 5. It's creating an ellipse, not a nice measured radius. Better entry speed in 6. Different line to 7 again. Consistent on your exit of 7. Now we've got a lot of traffic. Let's see what you can do with this. that late apex. So your next pass is going to be all the way on the outside in 2. Probable 2 riders to take. So the outside is available if you want to take it. Drive. Okay, so we're going to wait. That's a good pass on the brakes. Now where's your next pass? You can't get it accomplished here, so it's going to have to be into 6. So there's the inside. Nicely done. Offline, correct, into 7. Turning point for 8. That's consistent by feel and timing. You're ending up in different places on the track, but that's alright. It's a tight section. A little more consistency there on your turning point will actually yield you a lot more speed. Drive. Good setup, perfect line, keep the power on. Nice consistency for 4. That is definitely your strongest corner. You're certainly lost for 5, but there's no real accurate turning cone for you to use. Mid-corner entry's good. Starting to line up with that short pole now. Good. Line it up for 10. Good speeding again. Now be patient. That's an excellent radius. So you've got that part down. You keep running over the epoxy patch, which is great. Wide on exit. There's a tar snake out here. Just before it starts, we'll show you that in a video for your turning point. It's going to require you to slow down a little bit, but once you see that, it'll make perfect sense. Line it up for 10. Now be consistent with the turning point. There you go, that's much better.